we have seen that electric charge experience force, whether it is electric field or whether it is magnetic field. Scientist Mr. Lorentz did a lot of research on that and he made many rules. These forces due to electric field or magnetic field, or we can say electromagnetic force. He made many rules and studied it. Therefore, we also call these forces as Lorentz forces. So, Lorentz forces are two forces what we have already studied, but we use it as forces applied on electrical charge particle anywhere. So, Lorentz forces are forces on electrically charged particles due to electromagnetic fields. Lorentz forces are forces on electrically charged particles due to electromagnetic field. First is Lorentz electrical force, that is F is equal to QE. If there is electric field, the force is electrical force and its value is QE and F is in the direction of E. Second Lorentz force is Lorentz magnetic force, and this magnetic force is given by Q V cross B. And what is direction of force? Perpendicular to velocity. So, two type of force. First is electrical force denoted by Fe is equal to Q multiplied by E, and force is in direction of E, electric field. Second force, magnetic force denoted by Fb due to magnetic field is equal to Q V cross B, and direction of force F perpendicular to velocity. So these are the two forces and the net forces. Net Lorentz force Fl is equal to sum of both QE plus Q V cross B. F Lorentz is equal to Q E plus V cross B. Q is common to them. This is electrical force, this is magnetic force, and this is net Lorentz force, sum of these two. F Lorentz is equal to Q E plus V cross B. So this force control any charge Q. If there is electric field and magnetic field both present in space, may be possible there are certain electric field, there are certain magnetic field. Because of these two, the net force will be like this. So this is equation for Lorentz force, the details of Lorentz force. We have done the study of force. In the electric field, if there is electric field, force is equal to QE, and it force accelerate, electrical force accelerate, and magnetic force Fb is equal to QVB, and we have studied this magnetic force cannot accelerate or deaccelerate. This magnetic force only change direction. and this magnetic force always remain at right angle to velocity. So these are the Lorentz force. In the next lecture we will apply Lorentz force in two different charged particles in the space.